They tell you mustard is the go-to binder for ribs because it doesn't add flavor. And sure, it works as a glue to hold the seasoning. But here's the truth. If your binder isn't adding flavor, you're wasting that step. A lot of folks argue over whether or not you even need a binder. But don't get hung up on the label or terminology. Just see it as another chance to add flavor. If mustard is just flavorless glue, swap it for something else that pulls double duty. Worcestershire, soy, hot sauce. They bring umami, salt, and tang. Extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil add richness and help the surface brown and crisp. When you treat that step as a flavor boost, your bark develops faster with more depth of flavor and better color. It's a simple switch that pays off big in the finished ribs. So the real question isn't binder or no binder. It's whether you'll keep wasting that step on mustard or finally use it to build flavor. Once you've tasted the upgrade, it's tough to go back. That's the mustard binder myth exposed. Don't settle for just glue when you can use a binder that builds flavor from the start. If you're ready to stack more wins like this at the grill, grab our starter grilling guides through the link in the description or bio. You also get access to our weekly grilling newsletter with tips, stories, and strategies to help you grill smarter every single week. I know some folks out there who swear by mustard, others skip binders completely. Where do you land on this topic? Do you stick with mustard, skip it, or use something else to boost flavor? Drop me a comment. Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching Daddy DIY Grilling. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.